Opposite words. No, yes. Risky, safe. Bottom, top. Finish, begin. Small, big. Falsehood, truth. Partially, entirely. Evening, morning. Folly, wisdom. Destruction, construction. Shut, open. Timid, brave. Native, foreign. Demote, promote. Real, imaginary. Negative, affirmative. Horizontal, vertical. Hatred, love. Depth, height. Pull, push. Lower, upper. Tail, head. Less, more. Under, over. Minus, plus. Occupied, vacant. Optional, compulsory. Familiar, strange. Tame, wild. Remove, add. Antonym, synonym. Impudent, shy. Defy, obey. Sad, glad. Sharp, keen, blunt. Deny, confess. Silence, noise. Credit, debit. Warm, cool. Exterior, interior. For, against. Noisy, quiet. Sit, lie, stand. Sister, brother. South, north. Woman, man. Girl, boy. Never, always. Near, far. Think, float. Death, birth. Diffident, confident. Master, servant. Straight, zigzag. Fresh, stale. Departure, arrival. Bent, straight. Weaken, strengthen. Deny, admit. Diligent, lazy. Wife, husband. Receive, give. Rough, smooth. There, here. Separate, combine. Different, similar. Lower, raise. Present, future, past. Host, guest. Before, after. Artificial, natural. Black, white. Support, oppose. Pessimism, optimism. Specific, general. Feminine, masculine. Backward, forward. Nobody, everybody. Exit, entrance. Near, distant. Receive, send. Below, above. Cloudy, sunny. Light, heavy. Enemy, ally. Written, oral. Minor, major. Little, much. Least, most. Show, hide. Reply, ask. Negative, positive. Off, on. Down, up. Out, in. Melt, freeze. Long, brief. Mild, severe. Save, spend. Bright, pale. Sadness, happiness. Odd, even. West, east. Internal, external. Loose, tight. End, beginning. Few, many. Fail, pass. Last, first. Left, wrong, right. Presence, absence. Hate, like. Tiny, huge. Go, come, destroy, build.